Top of the day. Doing service on this dump trailer. Checking brakes. He needs new all rockers, shackle links, all that stuff. And we're doing bearings. Let's get it. Pads look good. That looks good. Probably just needs some adjustment. This grease is a little liquidy. Okay, we got that. Washers out and washers out. Good. It's look good. Brakes look good. Wiring looks great. Perfect. All right, idler hub going on. Washers on. Spindle nut going on. Tight. Off a smidge. Good. Good. Keeper is on. Hub and drum going on. Backing plate's good. Magnet's good. Everything's good. Just need to adjust it. What's it, man?
You want me to move the truck?
Yeah, that'd be awesome. Driver's side rear is on. Oh, take this off. Back off just a smidge. Good. Good. On. Let's pack these hubs. Do the rear first. Pump and spin. Oh, good. Your brakes are good. Rear driver is packed. Pound the dust cap on after this. Let's get grease into the front. Front hub is packed. Dust cap's going on. Good. Rear dust cap going on. Good. Let's change out this running gear. Up is out. Rear is out. Out on that. Hammer. Good. Shackle links. Blown out. That one, center rocker's done. And then those are done. The bushing is going in the springs. Grab a bolt. Hammer at home. Installed. Equalizer. Bolt. Good. Oh, I didn't grab any of the actual nuts. Shackle link. Shackle link. Come on. The new equalizer's installed. Everything's good. It's tight. Everything spins. Got new lug nuts for them. Let's get the tires on for this side. Oh, I need to adjust this brake. Test to make sure this brake is working. Brake was way out of adjustment. More click. Good. Rear brake is adjusted. Rear tire going on. I'm gonna test it, make sure it spins and locks. Changing the 7-way plug. This one was the old one. I just got drug a bunch of times. So I got an eyelet bouquet on there. And we're putting wiring back together. Brakes are free spinning. Brake is on. Brake is locked up. Perfect. Got some other little light stuff, but I'm happy that the brakes are working now. Tires and wheels off on the passenger side. Taking everything apart. It's coming off. Brake looks good. Cool. Spindle's clean. Idler hub going on for the passenger side front. Washer is on. Spindle nut is going on. Maybe. Yep. Spindle nut going on. Tight. Back off a smidge. Good. Free spinning. Passenger side rear. Spindle is clean. Hub is going on. Washer's on. Spindle nut going on. Thank you. And tight. Brake needs to be adjusted. Tight. Free spinning. Clean off keeper. Back off just a smidge. Hubs are packed on the passenger side front. Hub is packed passenger side rear. Front hub is on with the dust cap. Rear hub is on with the dust cap. New rockers, new shackle links, new bolts, new nuts. And put 2 new bushings on the spring sides. Alright, brakes are adjusted on the rear. Everything's on. Let's get the tires on. Brakes free spinning. Brake is on. Locked up. Perfect. Marker lights are good. Passenger side rear, good. Driver side front, good. Left turn is good. And right turn is good. Cool, all lights work. I put 2 new light housings on the back. Do the rundown on this. New banks, new seals, new grease. Checked his brakes, adjusted his brakes. 2 new lights on the rear. 1 new 7-way plug on the front. Checked all brakes. Everything works. Charge line works. He's good to go.